What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be playing. Stop it! Today we're gonna be playing Animal Company, and we're gonna go to lake and beat the president. Yay! Rah!
Yes.
Okay, so we got the onions. Okay, so first we're gonna take some baked beans. Wait, don't eat that. Don't eat it yet, fat ass. Okay, next we're gonna take an umbrella and put it on our back. Protože we are nami rabeček. Okay, next we're gonna take.
Bro, this is an English channel, not Czech channel.
But okay, so you take your bats, eat the skibbity beans, gulp gulp gulp. Then we just fork like that. Okay.
Ugh.
Take the bad buddy. Take the flipping bad boo. Okay.
Bro, I already have it.
But two bads, buddy. Okay, out of Yo! Oh wow. Okay, we have this RPG. We're gonna use it. Bomboplat! Ah. How the hell? I already did a lot of them. Wait, grenades! We need the grenades. The cluster grenades. They are absolutely OP.
Armstrong!
Oh, really? Huh? Come on, people. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Peppa! Help!
Oh.
I don't want to die here.
Come here!
Take me! Whoa!
Fuck.
Whoa! Take me!
No!
Bože můj! Take me! Swear to God! Thank you. Thank you, Stefan. Holy! Gotcha. Oh, wait. Ah! The golden egg! Holy!
Let's destroy it.
Yeah. Grenade. Ah! But I missed. Oh! Huh?
Bro, the fish is hella.
Hey, get away from me, Fizz. Fish. Come here, bože boy. But where are you?
Hey, behind you.
Here you go, buddy. Enjoy.
Not gonna lie, the fish
Wait.
is hella fast.
There's a grenade! I'm gonna catch it. Oh. Get the fish! Where's the fish? I swear to God. Where's the fish? I fucking man. No!
Revive me!
I'm going! I missed. I missed. Just come here! I actually swear to God. Ooh, I shot him. Okay. Slowly but steady.
It's slow. Correct.
Yay!
Time to destroy everyone.
Okay, time to summon new monsters! Yay! Oh, well, I missed. Huh? Fuck! Yeah, I'm sorry, buddy. Oh, no, but he's friendly. From the vents, he's friendly. He doesn't do anything. He's just a good boy. Yo, bože boy, tu stay.
God!
I have an idea. I gotta go fast. I missed. No! Chicken jockey! die! Okay. Motherfucker! Come here! Come here! Holy! These mother flippers. Oh, guys, I just gotta risk it. Ah! I missed again. I literally missed again. Wait. Okay, at least I got this. Oh, yes, grenade! Oh, yes! What the hell is it doing? You have to kill the drain. She's not dead! Are you serious right now, bro? Hell no. Freaking destroy her. Okay, I'm taking back the beans. Yo, come to spawn, I got some beans for you.
I'm here.
Take the beans. Okay, let's go.
I found the cluster hey, but I have nothing.
Yeah. Wait,
But I killed one giant.
I'm gonna get you some things. No! Come where I am. Where are you?
I'm here.
Here we go. A grenade, a grenade, a grenade. Yes. Yes, I'm there. Destroy the chicken jockey! Finally. Onion rings, huh? Give me this. A shotgun. No! No! I missed. I missed. Holy, she's fast, huh? I have an idea. I have a teeny tiny idea. Okay. So the first thing, I'm gonna go to my stash and take my heart gun. Then I'm gonna take some baked beans. Give me the baked beans.
I'm back.
Come on, I have an idea.
I'm blue, double.
Okay, I got the rocket launcher. Now, let's destroy some Janes. Ah! Another rocket launcher. I missed. Wait, but this is good as well. But I need the rocket launcher. Where was it? What? Okay. Oh, wait, here it is. No, it's not. Wait! Holy! W timing. I missed.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the...
Soda.
I have an idea. Go! Easy! W! Kill him. Kill that babe. Okay, grenade.
Got them, flamethrower.
Yes! Another hard gun. I'm taking that. Okay, wait. Come here, come here.
Wait, I need umbrella.
Let's just go back. Wait, let's go back. We're gonna give you an umbrella.
Yeah. I got a grenade.
Wait, I'm stupid. Oh, bože boy. Come on.
Yeah, I'm going.
You go. Okay, I have an idea.
Wait, I'm
I'm
gonna grab something.
I'm gonna destroy.
Well,
I'm gonna
I'm
destroy.
going.
Wait, I'm gonna destroy the chest. I'm gonna destroy the present with the
I have the
shotgun.
grenade.
I'm gonna
I
destroy.
have grenade.
I'm gonna
I'ma
destroy
just throw.
with shotgun.
Wait, I'ma just grab healing.
Too bad, buddy.
You're such a dumbass.
Wait, I have an idea. Okay.
Oh hell no, in here is the daycare guy.
Holy, what the hell is going on? Okay, I have the double launcher. I have the double rocket launcher. Oh, I killed him! He's Dunyan rings, buddy.
Hey.
Okay, easy. Holy, bro, what is going on? Oh fuck! Oh fuck! I got a rocket launcher.
Cluster grenade. Oh, come here.
Rocket launcher. Next bot. Get the next bot. No! No! Ah! Oh. Okay, well, I got an idea. Go. Wait! Holy, that's gonna be bad. Go! No! Holy. Yes. No. Doesn't have any ammo. I'm coming! Oh hell no. Oh hell no.
There's no chance. I have a new gun.
Fuck yes.
Come back to the... you see me, right?
Yeah, I'm here.
I have.
I have a frying pan.
What? Go, please! Okay, I'm safe. Oh, grappler. I don't need that. But I need this. Wait, Peppa, come to the big, mountain.
Okay, give me a second.
Look, I have a grenade launcher. I can put snowballs in it. And just spam.
Whoa.
Need to destroy the red light, green light monsters. Them are good. Okay. We've got one. You know what? I'm going for the lightsaber. That is not the lightsaber. Ah! Holy! Ah! Okay, there's a lightsaber. Yo.
Holy.
Okay, you know what? I was sacrificing my life. Let's do this! Die! Next boss. Oh, coming! Run! Bro, can you try to save me? Oh! Your W clutch, holy.
Only
Wait.
that was close.
Save me, save me, save me. I have some good items.
Where's your body? Oh.
Yeah, you see.
Oh.
No!
Come to your body. Come to me. Come.
Go fast, 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 fast. This Skibbity Armstrong. Okay, right.
Skibidi.
I'm gonna get the Armstrong. Stay calm.
Ow.
I got him. Now I just gotta
I
get
just
the
got flashbang.
stupid monster. Come here, monster.
Oh, they are so dead, man.
Okay, wait. Shoot it! Shoot it! Shoot it!
Wait. I need to discover something else.
Let's open some presents.
Hell yes. Okay, I got revolver ammo. Okay, I'm just taking.
Yo, bro, I'm ready for the fight. Check this out.
What do you get?
I got a cluster grenade and a rocket launcher.
Fuck yes. Okay, wait.
Where,
I'm
where
gonna-
is the grenade launcher?
Wait.
Oh, you
I have an idea. I have an idea. I'm just gonna wait. Don't waste your ammo. Don't waste your ammo.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if they will spawn, then use the cluster grenade.
Holy, how is it not? Okay.
Here you go. Shoot.
No! No! Well, I died. Wait, grab me and slide. Grab me and slide. Cluster grenade. Grab me and
Wait.
just slide. Okay, destroy the fish. Okay. Holy! I was destroying them. Wait, take me to my body, buddy.
Go to it. I'm not sure I can.
Oh, oh, oh!
I died.
You Skibbity ninja. No, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Okay. I'm gonna get the Skibbity items. Where are my items? There they are. I see them.
Oh, come on, my hand is stuck. Help me.
Too bad, buddy. Wait, I'm sorry. Okay. We gotta get something. Yo, spider. There's a spider on my ceiling and I'm naming him Ray. Spider boomerang. It's so easy. It's actually so easy. Okay, wait. I'm gonna need this. No. Boże mój! Fuck. Okay, I'm sorry. It's not working! Did we do it? We did it?
We did it!
Let's destroy one more present. One more present.
Yeah, but wait.
Wait, I have an
Wait,
idea.
let me get us.
Wait, come here, and I'm gonna bring the presents all to us. Or not. Rah!
Oh, yeah, two guys.
Just maybe. Okay, I'm ready. Come here.
But I'm not. Now I'm ready.
Wait, rocket launch. You little ninja. Wait, I have an idea. I have an idea. All the items here. The items flew. Get him! Look at these go. Oh. Wow. Are you serious?
Slow.
Hell no. Oh yes. Okay. After you demolish them. Wait, lightsaber. I'm running up that road. I'm running up that hill. And I get out to swallow. Ooh, what is this? Yo, wait, what? If I get out to swallow. Don't worry how I came from underground. We got him.
We got him hit it.
Mwah.
Boomerang.
Oh. Ah! I'm sacrificing my life.
Oh. I'm going
With you.
Ah! Stop that! Okay. What?
We died.
Yeah. You know what? We're going with nothing this time, and we just gonna get. Wait, that's an idea for a video. We have to bait. We have to beat the lake. All the lake monsters with only the items that we get. Okay, that's an idea. Oh shoot! Give me. Wait, there's a rocket launcher. There's a rocket launcher. Any cluster grenade. Ah! I missed. Finally. Okay, he's dead, right? Okay. No, you're not going. I missed. Ah! Bro, it just launched me. Ooh. Wait, Peppa, come to the big thing. Just come to me. Run! There's the dog. There's the flipping dog. Wait, I'm gonna get the lightsaber.
Okay.
Also, guys, a new game called The Mighty Mine is gonna release soon. And the creators are
God damn, he hit me and I flew through the map.
an ugly bench. That's another content creator, the one that like bought every single bundle. Yeah, so he's making the Mighty Mine, and we're gonna play it the most because I've seen the devlogs and it's super fun. So wait, come to me. I gotta show you something. There's like a secret. Look, if you go. Oh. My battery is almost. Look, there is a hole. Look, come here, come here. Come here. Look, there's just a hole, and we're inside this. We're inside the snow.
And how do we get out?
Look, just come here, come here, come here. We can get out like this.
Oh.
Yeah, see? Get over there. Oh sh! Oh no. Okay, I'm sorry, Olga. I'm sorry. Easy, 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 easy.
Oh.
Time to absolutely destroy this motherfucker. No! The dog! The dog! Die! Down the dog. Get the dog, get the dog, get the dog. Go die!
I'm going.
No! Holy! Ah! Get this ninja. And we're almost done. Wait, I need the turkey. I need the turkey. I need the turkey. I need the turkey. I'm gonna get the turkey.
Alright.
Turkey! You're not escaping from me, buddy. Come here, bro. Stop running, the butt. I actually swear to God, little flipping turkey. Bro, stop running away, scaredy cat. I actually swear to God. Die. Think. Oh wait, no turkey. No.
Oh.
Okay.
I got the.
So, I think we're gonna finish the video with something.
Yeah. But come to the mountain, the high spot.
Okay, okay. Okay, I'm here.
Check this out.
Wait, can you give me the umbrella just for a second? I'm gonna finish the video with something.
Yeah.
Just look at me. Just look at me. Just look at me. Just look at me.
Alright.
I'm going to the present. Oh, oh, oh. Wow. Okay. That was for today's video and come here, we're gonna finish the video. So if you enjoy Animal Company, make sure to comment if we should do anything. And yeah, say goodbye, buddy. Hey!
Bye.
Goodbye, buddy. Stop!